Collection references can drastically streamline content management. Today, let's explore how to use reference and multi-reference fields in your SP Page Builder website. From your Joomla backend, go to Components, navigate to SP Page Builder Pro, and then select Dynamic Content. This is where you can create and manage content collections for your website. Let's say you have an event management site with collections like sessions and speakers and want to connect them. Manually entering speaker details for each session can be tedious and limiting. A reference field streamlines this process by dynamically linking sessions to speakers and automatically updating information whenever changes are made in the speaker's collection. To add a reference field, go to your Sessions collection and click on Edit. Click on Custom Fields and select Reference. Choose Speakers as the reference collection. Name the field and then click Update Collection. Now, when adding or editing a session, you can simply select a speaker from the list rather than entering their details manually. Similarly, a multi-reference field allows you to link multiple items to a single entry. For example, if you have a separate collection for tags to better categorize sessions, a multi-reference field allows you to assign multiple tags to a session without manually entering each one. In the Sessions collection, click on Custom Fields and select Multi-Reference. Choose Tags as the reference collection. Name the field, such as related tags. Click Update Collection. Customize each session by adding tags for them. While the reference field lets you connect a single collection item to a relevant collection, the multi-reference field allows you to link multiple collection items. To display speaker details dynamically on your website, open the Session Details page in SP Page Builder Pro. Since the speaker's collection is referenced in Sessions, you can now map dynamic add-ons to pull data directly from the speaker's collection by changing the field source. Add a dynamic image add-on and set the field source to speaker image. To display the speaker's name and designation, insert two dynamic text add-ons and map them to their respective reference fields. With this setup, any updates in the speaker's collection, such as name, bio, or image, will reflect across all sessions automatically. You can also link to a speaker details page without manually creating separate pages for each speaker. To link the speaker details page, select the dynamic text or dynamic image, navigate to the link section, choose the Page tab, and set it to speaker details. Finally, go to the Sessions page on your site, and you will see the speaker's data successfully displayed just as you set it. This includes the link to the speaker page. Now let's move on to displaying a multi-reference field. Go to the Sessions page in SP Page Builder. Add the collection add-on since multiple items need to be displayed. Set the source to the Tags collection. Click on Filters and then add New Condition. Select Tags as the field and is associated with as the condition. Select Related Tags as the association field. Add a dynamic text add-on and set the field source to tag name. Finally, go to your site after saving the changes. You will see the tags displayed on the page just as you set them. And that's it. By leveraging reference and multi-reference fields, you can reduce redundant work and make content updates seamless. Stay tuned for more videos on SP Page Builder.